Hello everyone, Sharif here. In this video, I'm gonna show you the full setup and the full implementation to survive Google Android lockdown in September 2026. So I'm gonna start now to say to you the instructions and setup so you can do it on your phone. First of all, before you install this Dizuku, to grant the device owner privilege, which is the nuclear option, you must go to settings, enable developer options, and enable the OEM unlocking to bypass the FRP lock. This is important because FRP is tied to your Google account, and this is the anti-theft features that Google implemented on all Android devices if it's not the Google. And also you must keep all setup offline and install the Dizuku using ADB shell or while online, and grant the device owner privileges by using ADB shell DPM set device owner, then the path of the Dizuku activation, and this is what it shows is your owner. And also you can configure Dizuku behavior, so you can whitelist some or to grant some privilege if possible. And also this own Droid, because this is the enterprise features or the enterprise app that manage your device. And also you need to install this ls patch 2 because it is also the ls post non-root. So for those exposed modules that you install, you must self-patch it depending on what modules is that, if it is requires root or no root. And self-patching these exposed modules is chicken egg approach because it is functional in Android framework if possible. This is the most critical modules that you needed in Google Android lockdown if implemented on September 2026. And that's all guys, and see you there, and stay safe, be prepared before it's too late.